Hello everyone, welcome back. Today we're diving into when carjackers mess with the wrong car, where reckless criminals underestimate their victims, only to face unexpected resistance and instant karma captured at the perfect moment. That woman was incredibly brave to stand up to the thief and save her own car. The owner noticed the thief just in time.
You are currently being recorded.
The carjacking failed because the owner smartly threw the keys away. They tried to block the car, but the plan completely backfired. I'm sure they regretted that decision. This carjacker was pretty stupid, standing outside the car while telling the driver to get out.
Hey man, get out your car right now. Get out right now. Get out.
The robbers learned a lesson they won't ever forget. Luckily, they managed to escape the carjacker. Always lock your doors to protect your property. These two definitely picked the wrong car. It's great to see bystanders step in and help the owner stop them. The driver was lucky that door had multiple layers. The thieves didn't have enough time to break it down. This guy probably didn't expect the owner to still be sitting inside the car like that.
And I am calling the police.
Thankfully, the driver quickly reversed and got away from the thieves. Those two definitely regretted their decision. This carjacker had no chance of escaping the police chase. If it were you, how would you handle this situation? Oh man, carjackings are becoming more and more common and way more dangerous. You've reached the end of When Carjackers Mess with the Wrong Car. Instant karma. Which moment stood out to you? Do you believe they deserved it? Comment below and join the discussion.